The DA rejects the interim board to the Northwest Housing Corporation announced by Coxta MEC Wacheng Molapisi. 6 of the 8 interim board members have strong political ties to the ANC, and this is nothing but blatant cadre deployment. Dr. Emily Tlhaphe and Daniel Mataboge both previously served as ANC members of either Parliament or the Northwest Provincial Legislature. Wendy Nelson served as the MEC for Finance and Tourism, while Lina Mecha served as Mahikeng Mayor and the MEC for Coxta. Sarah Nkatlo is the former Speaker of the Makwasi Hills Local Municipality, and Ephraim Lepumane has known ties to the ANC. This is an ANC board and not a Northwest Housing Corporation board, and its purpose is to facilitate the misaligned political agenda of the ANC to build mega and smart cities to the tune of 74 billion rand, almost 20 billion rand more than the total annual budget of the Northwest Provincial Government. All Northwest cities, towns, dorpies and villages are at an advanced state of general infrastructure decay. It would be best to rebuild these existing settlements rather than launch vanity projects like smart or mega cities. We have seen what this kind of cadre deployment did during the state capture years, collapsing every single state-owned company from Eskom to SAA. The Northwest Housing Corporation is already dysfunctional. This interim board will do nothing to restore good governance and service delivery, and will only seek to serve the selfish interests of ANC cadres.